right, it is 9:29 a.m. just like I referenced on my podcast, and I'm just doing this to punctuate a point. This is seconds earlier where they are remaining in relevant position, making up information, making up allegations while they're hostile to being documented. This is the state's fake sun. So while I'm getting LaRouge and Bertagnia, who are stalking in the path, you have what is directed light on the ground while another stalker is driving 7YSC864, directed light on the Habit building. You have what is the entity being summoned, private security guard. They don't have any form. They're monitoring all together and also engaging in the creation of allegations. This is the state's fake sun. All right. You have what is engaging in what is the criminal summoning and the harassment by an entity that is monitoring, hostile to documentation, 8DIW299. At 9:29 in the morning, I am at the Ovid Family Community Library, and as I am facing I am at the entrance area after having come from B&G Plaza, where the state's fake sun at no time today is over, which is east of this location, the state keeping it in alignment with me and following me from on that day at the B&G Plaza, as I go north up Plum, and then as I go to the Ovid Family Community Library. At 9:29 a.m. is where I'm showing you the state's fake sun. And I also illustrated what was at 8:52 a.m., the state's fake sun, in direct contrast with being captured over the B&G Plaza as I'm facing south. This is the maintenance of the state's light source as I'm standing on the sidewalk now. It's right over me while I'm in front of those demons. Those are puppets for Satan working for the Ontario Police Department, and they're going to federal prison. Specifically, LaRouge, you're talking about Bertagnia, they're engaging in criminal summoning. That's a terrorizing act while you're monitoring with the state. It is also the demonstration of demon possession in this environment. Directed light, the fake sun over me while they're engaged in criminal summoning, okay? LaRouge, again, like I stated on my podcast, he engaged in criminal summoning and harassment at the Ontario Town Square in December of 2020. Him silent about the fact that I've encountered him before. Bertagnia lying, stating that I met him before. He's lying. I never met that particular demon. You have what is criminal summoning today, and this is 9:29 a.m. where the state's fake sun is not over the 280 North Limit Apartments, nor is that the sun that's ever over the 280 North Limit Apartments. This is the state's fake sun maintaining presence over me, and that is going for what is federal prison for safeguard patrol, engaging in criminal summoning, the Ontario Police Department license 1503467. That's P.O.C. That's LaRouge. All right, and this one is license 1582404. All right, patrolling in the parking lot, remaining present under what is the fake sun. And this is hostility by a demon-possessed entity as you're documenting federal stalking. And this is the demon-possessed in police vehicles, the demon-possessed in their own vehicles, 7NOY626, they're demons monitoring together. And that's the show of demonic hostility while they are monitoring the documentation. And that's the absence of the actual sun, that's the fake sun, while they are present engaging in the P.O.C. You're talking about federal prison, that's exactly what I told them, and that's exactly what's going on. They're going to federal prison. That's criminal summoning, that's the P.O.C., that's how the people and the entity engage in the pattern of conduct together as you are documenting and revealing the fact that you are subject to federal stalking by the entity. It's currently 9:32 a.m. and that is P.O.C.